Hey guys, welcome back. I'm DC Connor, and today I want to show you the Mirage Luxury Travel. That's the name. While we speaking of watches, I want to ask you, I have two watches inside, and I want to ask you, as having two watches collection, is having a two perfect watches considered a collection? If you ask me, it is. Damn right it is, because it's better to have two good quality timepieces that you will enjoy and wear. You will give them so much more wrist time than having dozens and dozens of watches, which most of them you are not even wearing, or is a chore task to wear them all, at least. So, but what we first take a look at the Mirage box. It's not very expensive. It's under $100. I think there's some sort of a discount going on there, but it's around $70 without the discount. Two-piece collection, two-piece watch roll, and you have three buttons here. You snap them on, and yeah, very nice, very classy. This is a black version, and they also come in many different versions. One of them, the most favorite one, is the chestnut color, like a brown, and the interior is light brown, tobacco brown. It looks really nice, but the black one is also very refined and understated. And they also have some green versions and many other versions on the website. So you check their website out. I will link you in the description box so you can check it out. But back to the subject of watches. Here I have two watches in this, so just to show you how it looks. And here you have a suede material inside that's very nice and cool and soft to the look. And the top layer is leather, and below down there as this material. It's very soft and it's not gonna scratch your watch, and it feels like a microfiber cloth or something like that. You buy that, and you can, when you close it up, if it touches it, your watch will be clean. So it's very simple, straightforward. It has a divider there. There are many luxury watch boxes like Louis Vuitton and Cartier and whatnot. They do not have a divider, and they have just a simple pillow inside, and that's not cool if you ask me. So the way you release it, there's a little here slot, and you remove it like this. You remove it and you have your watch, and this is my JLC Reverso. It's my favorite watch, hands down, and I love it so much. And I put this watch here. I have other watches, as you know, I'm a watch guy. The other timepiece I have here is the Mega Moonwatch, and also one of my favorites. And I purposely picked these two watches in here because I feel this is a perfect two-piece collection. And when you see these two watches in a row like this, how can you tell this is not a collection? This is damn fine collection of watches, and two of my favorites and two iconic pieces. You can play around, you can add this or that here, you can add Submariner in here, you can add Black Bay, you can add Navy Timer, Zenith El Primero, but if you ask me, this is a two-piece collection, and it's a nice pouch. Check it out. So check it out. Tell me, what do you guys think? And maybe I'm thinking about getting a bigger watch roll, because sometimes if you are into watches, you know what I'm talking about, but you definitely gonna need the bigger box, bigger watch roll. And I'm thinking about getting three-piece watch roll or 4-piece. So I'm not really sure. 4-piece watch roll they have on the website, is it practical? Because I know a perfect 4-piece collection that would fit in there, but I kind of like those 3-piece watch rolls as well. They work, and you can put one on the wrist and 3 in the box or 2 in the box, whatever you have, and it just works. So thank you guys for watching. Check out Mirage and do tell me, what do you think about the 2-piece watch collection? Is it a collection? Does it work? Is it all you need? Because less is more, but we always need more watches.